Okay, at this point, my whole wardrobe is full of Savannah, and guess what? I went ahead and shopped some more. Kyuki Savannah is having their flash mid-year sale. They are giving everything at 70% off, and there's also this buy one get one offer, so you cannot just miss this out. And I shopped a lot, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and share with you guys all the beautiful items that I shopped from the mid-year sale. Guys, the sale has already started. I will put everything in my description box and आपके screen के ऊपर आ जाएंगे. Do not worry. And also I will link everything in my description box. So make sure to go ahead and check it out. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ कि how happy I am with the quality, with the design, how they look on me. They just compliment me. I have gotten a few jewelry, for the very first time from Savannah. I've already done a video on that. So आप उस वाले वीडियो पर जाकर check कर सकते हो. These are a few of the items that I got from Savannah. So now let's go ahead and check out all the beautiful clothing items that I got from Savannah. This time मैंने bags वगैरह नहीं खरीदा because I already have them. Like you can see, they are having their 70% off their mid-year sale. So go ahead and check it out. So the very first item that I got is this very beautiful sheer tank top that retails for 690 rupees and आपको size से extra small से medium तक का मिल जाएगा. And this is what I have. I wanted to go for something like this. ठीक है, it's a no-brainer. Top बहुत ही simple सादा सा top है, not very skin showing, very casual. I can pair this. ऊपर भाग रहा है. It's a no-brainer top. I don't have to style it a lot. I can wear this with my trouser, my skirt, my jeans, and it will just look cute. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. It has this very beautiful sheer detailing. आप देख पा रहे हो, it has texture all over the top and ये हल्का सा mesh या फिर sheer detailing का top है. And then आगे की तरफ आप देख पा रहे हो, it has this hem, asymmetrical hem detailing that just looks so nice. This is the most softest material that I have gotten from Savannah. इतना बेहतरीन इसका quality है. So soft, so breathable, and it's absolutely perfect for the summertime. I wanted this dress from H&M, but I was not sure about the length कि ज़्यादा छोटा हो जाएगा क्या मेरे लिए. So whenever I tend to go ahead and buy dress just above my knee, it tends to become way too short for me. I wanted to actually wear something like this from H&M. मैंने सोच रखा था कि मैं ये वाला dress लूँगी, and guess what? I found the exact same dress on Savannah and the pricing is so different. So this one right here from H&M retails for $7.99, and guess what? I got the exact same dress, in fact in a different color, for just $490 rupees. I have ordered this in the color yellow, जो कि इनके पास है ही नहीं. So this is what I got. ठीक है, this blue as well as this blue looks so similar. आप देख पा रहे हो. This is the H&M one and this is the Savannah one. Look at this. And look at the price difference. This one is for $7.99 and this one is for $4.90. So I obviously went ahead and got this one from Savannah at just $490 rupees, and I've ordered the color yellow, and this is what it looks like, जो कि color है ही nature में. आगे की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का one shoulder style मिल जाएगा like this, as you can see, and then दूसरी तरफ आपको एक knot detailing वाला sleeve मिल जाएगा, and then you get this very beautiful ruche detailing around the waist that actually cinches your whole waist and makes you look so snatched and so nice. So this is what the next item looks like. I'm so happy I got this for just $490 rupees, जहाँ I was actually going to pay $7.99, and the quality is so good. For summer, it is absolutely perfect. The next item is something so cute. So I got a pack of socks. And this retails for $390 rupees, but ये $290 का आ गया है at 25% off, and this is what it looks like. I'm someone who does not wear any of her sneakers or bun छूते मैं पहनते नहीं हूँ without my socks. So I went ahead and got a bunch of socks. So let's go ahead and see ये कैसा है. This is what it looks like. I mean the quality, and these are so good. And just look at that. Let me just zoom this in. Look at the quality and look at the prints. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. And this is the fifth one. So you're getting 5 pair of socks for $290 rupees, which is actually a great deal, and the quality is absolutely gorgeous. I spotted this t-shirt on H&M and I really wanted to go ahead and buy it, but there was like, यार 1300 पे एक t-shirt में क्यों लो? Let me go ahead and search it on Savannah, and guess what? I found a similar t-shirt of pure cotton, पूरा cotton का बना हुआ है at half the price. So this is what I got. So this is the printed pullover t-shirt reels for 690 rupees and आपको ये इतने सारे colors मिल जाता है. So I got this one. It looks so cute, so summery and so easy breezy. So I immediately had to place my order and this is what I have for 1300 rupees. मैं तो बोलूँगी H&M से आप लो ही मत, आपको ऐसे सिमिलर डिजाइन्स के इनफैक्ट बेटर क्वालिटी के टी शर्ट मिल रहे हैं जो कि बहुत टाइम तक लास्ट करेगा आपका एट हाफ द प्राइस. बटर पेपर में रहत किया हुआ आया है and this is what it looks like. These are some of the t-shirts that you do get to see on H&M as well as Zara and they cost a lot. बहुत ही अच्छा मटेरियल का है. इट्स अ प्योर कॉटन. समर में बिल्कुल गर्मी नहीं लगने वाली है. इनफैक्ट आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारे लगोगे, बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगोगे एंड यू गोना स्टे एब्सोल्युटली कंफर्टेबल. सो दिस इज व्हाट द ब्यूटीफुल टी शर्ट लुक्स लाइक. प्रिंट आप देख पा रहे हो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा है एंड इट्स so refreshing especially for summer. This structure is absolutely perfect. Okay, I still have 3 more products left. So the next item is something that I was so excited about to get. First try के बाद मैं जब first try कर रही थी I was so sad कि अरे यार ये ठीक बैठती रहा मेरे पे. It does not look nice and all. But the second time I wore it, I fell in love. So this is the others. ऐसे क्यों लिखा हुआ है others bodycon dress. It was for 700 rupees. But आपको ये 50% off में मिल जाएगा and आपको sizes extra small से medium तक का मिल जाएगा. So I wanted a very casual dress ताकि मैं friends के साथ कहीं आसपास जा रही हूँ something. But I do want to look good. So that's the reason I went ahead and got this one. Especially summer की time. It's very casual. I can wear my sneaker and just carry a bag and stay comfortable while looking effortlessly put together. So this is what I ordered. ठीक है, मुझे ऐसा casual कुछ dress चाहिए था ताकि मैं comfortable के साथ साथ खूबसूरत भी लगूं. It's just so gorgeous and it just suits my entire undertone and my complexion. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. The strap looks like this. Unfortunately ये adjustable strap नहीं है. अगर होता तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. But this is what it looks like and then there you go. This is what the whole dress looks like. This right now is out of stock. ठीक है, तीनों के तीनों sizes out of stock है. So अगर ये आ जाता है in stock, please wishlist कर लो and notify me in stock करके आप notification का वो दबा दो. And please, if this comes in stock, get this. मेरे हॉल में कॉर्ड सेट्स ना हो, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? So next item is something that I was looking so forward to and it looks so cute. So this is the ruffle cord set. It is also 1490 rupees and आपको ये 4 शेड में मिल जाएंगे. That is green, apricot, white as well as black. I went ahead and got this color, sage green आप बोल सकते हो. So this is what the cord set looks like. So if you're someone who does not know how to style your clothes, just go ahead and shop your cord sets and you're gonna look so much more put together and effortless just by wearing your cord set. So this is what I got. So this is what the trouser looks like. Very simple, very sober, एक straight leg है and इसका material काफी ज़्यादा प्यारा है. Perfect for summer and it has this very crinkly texture that looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the top wear looks like. Again, the color is so nice, something that I don't usually go for and that's why मैंने सोचा कि चलो थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हूँ something that I usually don't wear. So this is what the top wear looks like. आप देख पा रहे हो, it has this tiered detailing and ruffle detailing इस तरीके से जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है. Make sure कि आप cord sets लो and then you will instantly look so much put together. And the very last item that I got from Savannah's sale is a very beautiful tank top. It's so pretty, straight out of my Pinterest. I've been wanting to get something like this and finally when I spotted this on Savannah, I had to obviously go ahead and order it. So this is the latest trim tank top. It is for 1090 rupees but ये sale पे just 980 rupees का आया हुआ है and this is what the beautiful top looks like. Look at this. It looks so Pinteresty and this is what it looks like. So the moment I spotted this, I was like, add to cart. मैं देर करने ही नहीं वाली हूँ क्योंकि ये कभी भी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जा सकता है. So damn beautiful. The quality is so nice. पूरा का पूरा कॉटन है. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. I mean, just look at how beautiful it looks. Let me just go ahead and And so this is what the beautiful top looks like. It's so nice. Let me just zoom this in ताकि आपको और भी बेहतर तरीके से दिखाई दे. And this is what the top looks like. It's made of pure cotton and नीचे की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का mesh and net detailing मिल जाता है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. आप देख पा रहे हो the whole detailing right here is just so nice. It has this cottage core vibe and it's perfect for summers. You get this very beautiful lace detailing right here that looks so feminine and so soft. So yeah, this is what the last item looks like. It just looks so dreamy and it is just straight out of my Pinterest. If you go ahead and ask me to go ahead and recommend any of the items from today's haul, मैं बोलूँगी कि आप कोई भी items को ले सकते हो because all of them are worth your money. The quality is exceptional and आप कोई भी चीज आज की वीडियो से लोगे you tend to get confidence. सेल तो चल ही रहा है but if you go ahead and use my code then you will get additional off on your entire order. So yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then do like my video and ज़रूर subscribe करो channel को. And I will put all the links in the description box, so make sure to go ahead and check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.